Welcome. In this session, we'll learn about inheritance in Java. Don't worry, it may sound tricky at first, but I'll make it super simple. By the end, you'll clearly understand what inheritance is, why it's important, and how it helps us write cleaner, reusable, and flexible code. Inheritance is like passing down features from parent to child. In Java, a child class can inherit fields and methods from a parent class. For example, a vehicle class has wheels and a move method. A car class can inherit these and add its own features like air conditioning or a horn. This saves time and avoids code repetition. There are three main types of inheritance in Java. First, single inheritance, one child class inherits from one parent. Second, multi-level inheritance, a chain where a class inherits from a class, which inherits from another class. Third, hierarchical inheritance, multiple child classes inherit from the same parent class. Note that Java does not support multiple inheritance using classes directly, but interfaces can achieve that. Here's a simple example. Vehicle is the parent class with a move method. Car is a child class that inherits move and also has its own horn method. When we create a car object, it can call move and horn. This is inheritance in action. In multi-level inheritance, we have a chain: animal, mammal, dog. Animal has eat, mammal has walk, and dog has bark. A dog object can call all three methods. This demonstrates how a child inherits features from its ancestors, not just its direct parent. So why do we use inheritance? First, code reusability. You write code once in the parent and reuse it in children. Second, it models real-world hierarchies logically. Third, it supports polymorphism, allowing parent references to hold child objects, making code flexible. Inheritance allows a class to gain properties and methods from another class. We saw single, multi-level, and hierarchical inheritance. This concept improves code reuse, hierarchy, and flexibility in Java programs. That's it. Now you know inheritance in Java. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments. Happy coding!